Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification.
We leave you now with pictures from the unveiling of Barrister Ekomaru as Governor Hope Uzodinma's running mate in the Imo State gubernatorial elections scheduled to take place on the 11th of November 2023. Barrister Ekomaru replaces incumbent Deputy Governor Professor Placid Njoku. Imo State and Bayelsa State are two oil-producing states in the Niger Delta where gubernatorial elections are scheduled to take place later in the year.
The stakeholders are aware of why this particular decision was taken, because the process of choosing her was all-inclusive. I plead with all of us to accept and make peace with it. But I don't have any problem with my deputy governor, Professor Placid Njoku. He is a very loyal and committed partner in progress.
Inside the Niger Delta,